Hanging your wet clothes to dry takes time, so let's not wait anymore. Save your time and effort with Bosch Series 8 heat pump dryer. This dryer keeps up with your laundry load with its 9 kg capacity, and the large stainless steel drum allows you to wash larger items because of the space available. Using ActiveAir technology, Bosch innovative heat pump dryers use air heat for drying clothes. Moreover, the existing heat is reused efficiently during the entire drying process, thus greatly reducing energy consumption. The large LED display keeps you updated on the status of a drying process in one glance. This all-rounded dryer has a range of drying programs to clean the most common laundry items in a household, such as cottons, shirts and blouses, towels, and duvet. This dryer is also equipped with gentle drying programs designed for sportswear and delicates to ensure that such fabrics are properly dried. If you are unsure of the drying program required, use the Home Connect app to select the most appropriate drying condition based on your laundry load. Bosch Series 8 heat pump dryer guarantees a high drying performance with high energy efficiency. Don't wait! Use your time more efficiently with this dryer today.